What's up, traders? This is Trello, bringing you another daily outlook and my bias for the daily. So let's take a look at the dollar. The dollar has gotten stronger since yesterday. As you can see, they have broken the 15-minute demand here with a nice buy up and then a sell down, breaking market structure lows here to the left side. They did break 15-minute supply. And it seems as though if we can close back under supply, the dollar will dump back underneath towards demand that we are targeting right here in this area. So by any means, the dollar could keep pushing for sure. But right now, I am waiting on demand to be tapped still from the dollar. Maybe this top side buy up was just a liquidity sweep, but we'll see. All right, as we check on USD JPY, we did get filled in USD JPY. Right now, we're fighting in the middle of supply and demand. If we can close underneath demand, hopefully we can get that further pushed down to these liquid lows. Perfect liquidity to the downside. But the reason why we entered this trade is very, very simple. The first part of our three confluences is market structure. So we have a buy up and then a sell down, breaking these lows to the left side, which makes USD JPY bearish on the 15-minute. And then the second confluence, which is supply and demand. This buy up and sell down creates a supply zone, as you can see right here to the right side. And then the third confluence, which is liquidity. And if we go replay trade, you can see that we have some liquidity right here. But if that's not enough for you, as price action buys up, you can see that we make even more liquidity right here as a fake sell down. And then we get a perfect tap in, and then the power of supply and demand. Don't get out. Put your stop losses right behind the supply zone, and you should be safe. As long as we don't get a close over, we are okay. And as you can see, USD JPY does not close over, and now we're basically fighting demand right now. So USD JPY looking decent as long as we can get the close over in demand. So if we go to GBP USD, same look on GBP USD, still looking for this, I guess, supply tap. I wish it was a bit stronger, but for right now, looking for a supply tap on GBP USD for further sales based on the confluence of the DXY tapping this zone, the demand zone right here, and getting stronger. So if we go to Euro USD, we are still waiting for Euro USD supply zone tap. There's a buy up and a sell down, breaking these lows, some nice liquidity, and we are bearish. But yeah, just waiting on a supply zone tap into Euro USD. For gold, we caught beautiful sales in gold today. Didn't go over this in the outlook yesterday because it was mentioned around 3 a.m. Central Time last night. As you can see on gold, we basically have a buy up and then a sell down, strong sell down, breaking basically all of these lows here to the left side. So we basically just wait on retracement. So the first part of the three confluences is market structure. We have a buy up and then a sell down, gold change bearish in the 15-minute. The second confluence, supply and demand. It leaves a perfect supply zone here to the top side, this buy up and then sell down. And then the third confluence that we need is liquidity. And as you can see, we left some liquidity right here to the left side. We get a perfect tap in. A nice push up into stop loss, maybe 50%. But as long as we don't close over that supply zone, then we are okay. And then gold comes down for a perfect 2RR. And so I basically see gold dropping down some more to come down here to demand. So the question is gold ready to sell and give us this demand tap for furthermore buys? And if gold does break these lows, as you can see, we're already bearish for gold. So if they was to give us some more low breaks and a nice supply zone, I would be looking to sell gold again. But yeah, that's it for gold. And if you look at GBP JPY, you can see we're getting some nice pushes. So USD JPY should be selling. As you can see, USD JPY is selling pretty nicely. But yeah, as long as this can hold on GBP JPY, then we should get some more sell action on USD JPY. Now, what I don't like for USD JPY is you can see we have a buy up, then a sell down, breaking market structure here to the left side. And then we get a nice tap back into that supply zone. So we have this high created off of that supply zone tap. And then we have a lower high created off of basically this supply zone tap. As you can see, we have a nice supply zone here. If you activate the 50% body candle indicator, you can see that this is a nice supply zone. As you can see, we have lower highs. So we have this high right here, to the left side, and then we have another lower high. I am expecting I am expecting JPY to clear out these orders to the top side, which should push USD JPY right into take profit. So I haven't been seeing anything going on with AUD JPY, as I do want to buy them, but as you can see, we did break underneath prior demand. So right now I'm just on the threshold of AUD JPY and seeing if JPY will actually get stronger. So not much for AUD JPY, just waiting on some clean, I guess, price action. For Euro JPY, we caught a beautiful Euro JPY trade last night. As you can see, a sell down, then a buy up, breaking these highs to the left side. First part of the confluence is market structure. We are bullish. Second confluence is supply and demand. Third confluence is liquidity. As you can see, we swept out these bottom lows right here, and then created another low here, swept out this low, and a nice perfect reaction on the demand zone and a beautiful take profit hit.